Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this look. I am back with another makeup tutorial. I wanted to create this very natural cat eye makeup look that you can wear day or night. I'm also going to be wearing our brand new day masks. I'm going to feature both, actually all three shades. I won't keep you waiting. Let's get into the tutorial and I'll show you what these look like on me. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, going in with my base, starting with my Westman Atelier Skin Tint. I really didn't realize how greasy this product was. It's very oily. If you have super dry skin, which I actually do, you might like it, but personally it just like was slippery on my skin, so I didn't love it. I went in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk over it, so it kind of helped, but then I went in with my NARS Radiant Creamy and Custard. I am obsessed with this concealer, as you may already know from just years of using it. So I just like to use this under my eyes and kind of like the center of my face. And I'm also using my base and conceal brush from Persona. I love this brush. It's very compact, but also so cute for like traveling and things. You get two in one. So I'm just blending everything in place to make sure that it's nice and seamless. And then for my brows, I actually kind of wanted dark and bold brows today. So instead of using my typical warm brown, this is the Persona Swipe Up in regular brown, which is a little bit cooler. And then I wanted to also fill it in, so I used both the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Kosas pencil, and as you can see, it turned out quite nice. I love it. You have to spend so much time on brows for it to look good. All right, on to the main part of this video, which are these lip balms we are launching. I'm so excited. This is the clear shade, so I just wanted to hydrate my lips before doing the rest of my makeup. So then I'm going in with my Persona Dune stick, and I'm just putting this kind of as a bronzer but also as a contour a little bit. Now switching to the shade Sahara. This is more of a contour shade on me, and I like to use the smaller side of the brush and place this on my dimples because it just makes it look a little bit more prominent. And then just powdering, setting everything in place before my blush. And this is Guava, again from the Dreamstick fam, and I'm applying this just on the apples of my cheeks, this time using my Power Brush by Persona again. And I'm also applying a little bit of that on my nose and my forehead to kind of just tie in the colors. And then, as you already know, I can't live without bubble powder. I love setting everything with this and also applying a tiny bit under my eyes. It just makes such a difference. We all kind of learned this from Kim Kardashian's makeup artist, but it definitely works and I'm obsessed with it. So for my eyes, I decided to go with just mainly one color, and this is the color Goddess from the Identity palette. So I'm just kind of blending that all over my eyes. Maybe like a wash of color is what I was going for. And then a little bit of a lighter shade on the inner corners. So just like a lighter gold on the inner corners. For my eyes, I'm going in with a brown shade, but this is a really dark brown, so it almost looks black, but it's not as harsh as like a black would be. So I love this shade. And so just applying it in like a messy way, as you already know, this is like my style. And then I go in with my brush and really perfect it. This is the Line and Define brush by Persona, again from the same brush collection. And then for my mascara, I'm going in with my trusty Lancome one. I love this one so much. It's called Monsieur Big. I probably don't know how to pronounce that, but then for my highlighter, going in with my Hourglass highlighter. This is so subtle and beautiful. I love this stuff. So now wiping my lip balm to prep my lips. Now I'm using Almond lip liner. I am obsessed with this color. It just is the perfect contour shade for my lips. And so I'm just applying this a little bit above my natural lip line, but then also blending it with a brush. This is another good trick. This is again from the same brush collection. Now I'm going in with June. This is one of my favorite colors. It's a peachy nude. I love this. It's so pretty, and it goes with so many different lip liners. I've been wearing this non-stop since the development phases. And by the way, this formula has so many actives. It's got hyaluronic acid, of course, peptides, pomegranate extract, lots of great ingredients like squalane. So once you put this on your lips, you are going to love how buttery and non-sticky it is. This one is in the shade Pomegranate. This is also another gorgeous shade. As you can see, it's like a muted berry, so you can wear it day or night. And if you were gonna use a lip liner with it, I recommend Rosewood. Actually, I lied. I recommend 90210. This is 90210. And it's got more of like a brick kind of undertone, and it just looks so pretty with pomegranate. So this is the final look. Let me know which one was your favorite from the two lip colors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments below and let me know which lip was your favorite. I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye.